Hello friends, hello dear viewers. In this video, I bring you to Phan Thiet, Vietnam. Welcome to Phan Thiet. Phan Thiet is the capital of Binh Thuan province. It is a city where history, nature and culture come together in perfect harmony. Join me to discover the most fascinating sights that this coastal jewel has to offer. Let's see the city together. What you see are dragon fruit gardens, and this province is full of these fruit gardens. These fruit gardens are the biggest source of income for the local people.
Hi friends, today I want to shot sunrise, but I think I have a unluck today. There is no sun. It's cloudy outside, and unfortunately I cannot see any sun rising. Now it is 5 o'clock 37. Actually it must become at around 5 o'clock 30. 7 o'clock is over, but there is no sun because of cloudy. I am very unhappy about this situation. I want to really make a picture from sun rising in Phan Thiet, but there is unfortunately no sun rising. Maybe you can see it is cloudy, nothing to see, nothing to night I pass it. I am very unhappy about it, but we cannot change. Sorry, we cannot change. Tomorrow I go home. Now this is the last day, and we have no possibility to make sun rising. Phan Thiet, it's called Phan Thiet. It is around 200 or 300 kilometers to the Ho Chi Minh City. You can come here by a taxi or by a car. You can rent easy, or you can rent a motor, I don't know. Or I think there is another way by plane. You can book and from Saigon or from Hanoi to fly here. Or some of the people are traveling with the bus. It's also possible. You can book a bus to come here and to enjoy the beautiful beach. Really, beach is very clean, and the water is very clean, and I advise you. Yeah, pure sand. It is unbelievable. It is very nice. I like it. Here also you can find the hotels, different hotels, which is famous in Europe or other countries, like Ramada Hotel or the Movenpick, where I am living, and other 5-star hotel you can find here too. But you must not to stay in the 5-star, also 4-star or 3-star. Also is very nice, and you can find then it is cheap. It means up to $20. You can find a suitable place to live, to stay. So let's see a little bit around. Then we cut the video later. Okay, I show you a little bit around. Here is the beach, Novaland Beach. It's called. It's a company from Malaysia. They are building many houses or high building, high tower. And here where I am, also they build a lot of houses or villas. Behind of this hotel, you can see. Also, I put it in video later to show you how they build. It's really a famous company. Also they have other part of Vietnam. They have such high building, skyscraper, or so villas they are building. This part is belonging to the Movenpick. Yeah? Then everywhere there are nice restaurants. Yesterday I visit one of them, but here this line, Christian line, it is really nice made. The people came very early because of the sun. You know, the Vietnamese like to be white. That's why the people come early before sun come, or under the cloud, that they don't brown. They don't become brown. That is the reason many people came very early here. But I think the water is cold here. I mean, now it's cold. So let's go slowly to the room and then make a breakfast and prepare. As I say you before, it is the time. The last day that I do. All these are here. All these are here. Is the Noah line. You see every sport complex, the upper side. Paintball. Sport. Wow. Really a huge place here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Now let's look at the rich history of Phan Thiet. We visit the Po Shanu Cham Towers, ancient ruins from the Champa Kingdom. We get a glimpse into the spiritual life of the Cham people.
Hi friends, I came a special place here to show you. First I want to show you the ticket. 15 dong per man. Let's see what they offer. It seems it is a little bit empty. Let's see what they have here. Something to offer, something to see. We will see. Po Sah Inu. I heard this is here at meeting. The kind of people, Vietnamese at meeting. They are here. The Champa Temple. The tower group Son Inu. Later I can read this. Now it's too hot here. That's why I don't want to stay longer. Just want to show this. Reading is later. When I edit the video, I can read and show you. So let's see what they have. You want to go? You want to go there? So what they are selling is gift for children. But everywhere you can see it.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new...
Briquette. A long time ago they make it this free. Is this, I think, Buddhistical place.
This is also a kind of temple. In the time they built it, and you cannot go inside with short or cap. This is not permitted. Anyway, we cannot change it. I want just show it. I want just show it. I don't go inside. This temple is the left side. Later we will visit this too. Here's another one. This is the biggest. This is the bigger one. Then we will see it. Here is the history. Before I go there, better I show what they are here. Dragon fruit. This area is very famous for dragon fruit. On the way, I see many plantages. They are growing dragon fruits. Later, I will also make a few videos from here. This is the area. This is the area that the can be interested for you. And you can visit when you are here. Mostly it's written in Vietnamese, but this is this can be interesting, very interesting. This is Phan Thiet, special celebration. I don't know in which time, but maybe we can research and look. This celebration can be very interesting for everybody. Here you see the national crowds. The people are celebrating. Maybe national, I don't know. But it looks like it's very interesting. Maybe one day I'll come here to see or to join such a celebration. Unfortunately, I cannot read what is written there, but maybe later, with editing of the video, I can translate it and show you the meaning. What they are written here. Not finding. I don't know how old these are. I think it is really old. So now let's see the other building structure, how they built. When I compare with Cambodia, this temple that I was in Siem Reap, this is the not the same, but I think this is also for Buddhist believing, for Buddhism. Oh, already the so fast finish.
Đâu nhà mình chủ đó?
Đằng trước đi.
Cả đoàn đi đâu hết rồi nhỉ?
Đi mỗi người một nơi rồi.
How they build, it's very interesting. Yeah. It's Russian, Chinese, and Vietnamese. No English. No English. This is the land ethnic and I read. I think they make the music here. This is here. They make the music. This is the temple. That's really because the other one is unfortunately finished. Actually, I don't see something special here. Only for praying. Only for praying. This is a boost for special freedom. I think this is for freedom of the Vietnam or Phan Thiet. I don't know. This is a symbol from them. Another building that is, I think, to see the around, but now no more in use. What is it here? Nothing. Nothing. I can show. It is nothing. It could be better if you can go upper side, but it is not possible. Oh, this is the another side of the city. Phan Thiet. How do you think? It looks like good. What do you think, friends? A view from Phan Thiet for other side. This is the port for fisher, and I don't know what kind of the vegetable is it. I don't know. If somebody knows, let me know. What kind of vegetables or fruits are these? Whether it is eatable, I don't know. Let's see. Or let's make a comment whether this fruit is eatable. Yeah, it's very long. I see it's very long here. One is fall down. If somebody knows the name, let me know.
Trên sông Tiền Giang, như gió trên sông Hậu Giang, như lời thương
friends, now we are in Buu Son Tu. The pagoda is on the top of the mountain. Behind there are two towers, so it is commonly called Thap Pagoda. In the early days of Nguyen Trung Hung, King Chao Huang, Nguyen dynasty, came to visit, named it Buu Son Tu, granted money, and ordered the making of a signboard. Now in the pagoda, there is a signboard engraved with the words Ngu Tu Buu Son Tu. The king has come, granted the name Buu Son Pagoda. King Jialong ruled our country from 1802, 1820. Up to now, it has been over 200 years. Thus, the ancient Buu Son Pagoda was built before that. From a tourist's perspective, Buddhists and visitors from all over the world come to visit the pagoda. From the main hall, looking out in front, we'll see a very beautiful scene, an open space spreading in many directions before the eyes of visitors. On the left is the blue sea in the distance, fishing boats bobbing up and down in the waves. In front, to the west, is the bustling city of Phan Thiet, with roofs, tall constructions. On the right is Nguyen Thong Street, with continuous traffic going in and out of Moi Ne. Behind is the majestic Po Sah Inu Tower. The whole view of the pagoda is beautiful constructions, nestled among rows of cool green trees. We came to the other side of the city. It is usually wavy here. The weather here is breezy, so it is cool and very nice. Also, Phan Thiet is a destination that offers something for every traveler, whether you're drawn to its historical roots, natural landscapes, or rich culture. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join me on more adventures around the world. And if you're planning your next trip, consider Phan Thiet. It might just be the perfect place for your next getaway.
You can see the riding